I truly am speechless, and that doesn't often happen. My name is Elliot Durant. I'm the co-founder with my brother David Durant of Pure Water Factory. Our mission statement is that we do water better.
Like many small business owners, Elliot wasn't particularly comfortable with technology.
And I think a lot of it was fear, the fear of the unknown. I didn't know the internet. Managing and running the company by myself, I just didn't feel like I could devote and learn fast enough.
To grow his company, Elliot decided to take a chance, and he enrolled in BizHack Academy's 8-week AI Marketing Accelerator course.
I went from barely knowing anything about this except how to spell AI to actively working with it and transforming my understanding and skills along the way.
One of the sales proposals that Elliot worked on during the course helped him ink a 6-figure deal to sell his alkaline water product to a chain of gyms.
I wanted to create a brand, and as one person and not a huge team in a corporation, it's very difficult, but now I do have a team, and it's called AI.
I would like to congratulate Elliot, who is our BizHacker Award winner for AI Marketing Accelerator. Congratulations, sir.
I truly am speechless, and that doesn't often happen. And I'm telling anybody that I know that's in small business that it's a game changer.